Hi friends, welcome to the Power Engineers channel. In this video, we will review some more questions and answers regarding Central BOE oral examination. This is probable set 5. So let us see what are the question. The question is, what is the reason for monitoring oxygen level in flue gas? Yes, we have to monitor oxygen level in flue gas. We need to maintain excess air around 15 to 25% for proper combustion and to confirm the fuel is completely combust. So we have to monitor the oxygen around maintain the oxygen around 2.5 to 3.5% after combustion. What is the function of startup vents? The function of startup vents is to maintain steam pressure or control steam pressure during abnormal conditions, and it's provide flow through superheater coils and maintain steam temperature during low load or startup. What is the function of steam drum? Yet it is very important. The function of steam drum are it acts as water storage device. It separates steam from water. It provides space for internal chemical treatment. It removes sludge from boiler through blowdown. It accommodates safety valves to relieve excess pressure during abnormal condition. That is why boiler drum is the heart of boiler. What is the velocity of flue gas in various zones? As you know, the velocity gradually increases from furnace to air preheater. Like in the furnace, it is around 1 to 2 meter per second. In superheater zone, it is around 2 to 4 meter per second. In economizer, 6 to 7 meter per second. And in APH, it is around 8 to 10, 12 meter per second. As we move towards IDFN, the velocity increases. But in ESP, the velocity decreases from 0.7 to 1 meter per second because the volume of the duct is increased to accommodate ESP collecting and emitting electrode for proper distribution. So velocity as the volume is increased, the velocity of flow gas decreases. And again in the IDFN inlet, it increases from 13 to 16 meter per second. So the one important question is in ESP, what is the velocity maintained? It is around 0.75 to 1 meter per second. What happens to density of steam if pressure and temperature increases? Yes, density also increases. As steam pressure and temperature increase, the volume will increase and density will also increase. What is the function of bypass valve arrangement for main steam stop valve? It is mainly pressure equalizing to open the main steam stop valve and also for initial charging of steam line. We need to preheat the steam line before fully charge the line. From main steam stop valve up to turbine area, we have to preheat the line. So this valve function is to preheat and equalize. What do you use single and three element drum level control? Single element is used when the boiler load is less than 30% of MCR, BMCR, and three element control is used when boiler load is more than 30% of MCR. Because 30% valve is smaller in size, so it is used at low load for better controlling of flow to the drum, and when and it only monitor this control valve only monitor the drum level and maintain the flow. In three element control, the drum level is maintained by three parameters, that is drum level, feed water flow and main stream flow. All three are tracked. What happens to the boiler tubes if pH is more or less than recommended? Yes, if pH is less it leads to corrosion of tube because it is acidic in nature, and if it is more, then it leads scaling. More phosphate will start scaling in the tube internal parts.